Are you stuck in a potato rut? I'm Chef Carrie with the Food Channel. Next time you've got the grill hot, try this hearty grilled potato salad.
Warm and savory salad with a mustard vinaigrette. Start by cutting potatoes into large chunks. Today I'm using Idaho russet potatoes. Did you know that only potatoes that are grown in Idaho can be called Idaho potatoes? Add sliced red onion. Drizzle with olive oil. And season with salt and pepper. Be sure to mix well to coat. Onto a hot grill pan, place the potatoes and onions. Be sure to turn them frequently. Now, I made the mustard vinaigrette ahead of time, so when the potatoes are brown and tender, it's time to serve. Now give your dressing one last shake. Drizzle with dressing over the top. And finish it up by topping with sliced green onions. That'll do it.
This looks so tasty, and it's straight off the grill. Now get in the kitchen.